Let me ask you something. When you think millionaire, what's the first image that pops into your head? Is it a guy in a Lambo popping champagne? Because that's what I used to think too. But here's the reality. I've met actual self-made millionaires, and most of them, they're just normal people. The only difference? Their brain works differently. See, I used to believe money was about luck or working 100-hour weeks. But after years of studying successful people, I realized it's not about what you do, it's about how you think. And today, I'm breaking down exactly how to rewire your mind for success. No fluff, just real steps that work for me and others. Ready? Let's go. A few years ago, I was stuck in what I call the broke mindset. I'd say things like, rich people are just lucky. Money's too hard to make. I'll never afford that. Then I met my mentor, a guy who grew up homeless but built a 7-figure business. He said something that changed everything. If you keep telling yourself you're broke, your brain will make sure it stays true. So here's your first step. Stop saying broke shit. Instead, money finds me easily. I'm a problem solver, not a complainer. Every dollar I earn is a tool for more. Sounds simple? It is. But this one shift changes everything. Here's an uncomfortable truth. Most people quit right before their breakthrough. I almost did. When I started my first business, I made $0 for 6 months. I wanted to quit every day. But then I asked a successful friend, how did you push through? He laughed and said, you don't push through, you fall in love with the process. So now I treat growth like a game. Lost a client? Cool. Now I know what not to do next time. Failed launch? Data for the win column. Millionaires don't rely on motivation. They build systems so even their bad days move them forward. Ever heard of Brian Chesky, CEO of Airbnb? In 2008, he was selling cereal boxes to fund his startup. For years, nobody cared about Airbnb, but he kept going. Why? He was playing the 10-year game. Most people want overnight success. Millionaires think, what if I stay consistent for a decade? Try this. Invest 10% of every paycheck before spending. Spend 1 hour daily learning a high-income skill. Say no to flashy shortcuts. Time magnifies consistency. That's how ordinary people build extraordinary wealth. Asterisk, asterisk. Quick reality check. Blaming others is a poverty habit. The economy's bad. My boss won't promote me. The system's rigged. I used to say this stuff too. Then I realized, every minute spent blaming is a minute wasted on solving. Millionaires don't wait for the perfect time. Someone's permission, the market to get better, they adjust, they pivot, they outwork excuses. Your turn. What's one problem you've been blaming others for? Drop it today. Confidence hack. When I started, I felt like an imposter. Then I did something weird. I started acting like the person I wanted to be. Dressed slightly sharper. Spoke like I deserved respect. Said I'm a business owner instead of I'm trying this thing. And guess what? People treated me differently. Opportunities showed up. Not because I was fake, but because I believed it first. Your brain mirrors what you feed it. So start talking to yourself like you're already who you want to be. And look, I'm not some guru on a yacht. I'm just a guy who failed his way here. And if I can rewire my mindset, you can too. So here's your homework. 1, pick one step today and act on it. 2, comment below. I'm working on step. I'll reply to keep you accountable. 3, save this video. Watch it again in 30 days. Because $1 million life starts with $1 million decision, and you just made yours. Now go get it. I'm rooting for you.